student. Today we are going to learn second chapter. Name of chapter is Plants, Structure and Function. In 6th standard we have already learned about the parts of plant. What are the parts of plant? Yes, the answer is root, stem, flower, fruit, leaf are the parts of plant. And in 6th standard we have already studied about this. Now in 7th standard we are going to learn or going to do the detailed study of these parts of plants. Means detailed study of root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. So let's turn to our study. Yes. Now tell me, which is the underground part of plant? Yes, root is the underground part of plant. So today we are going to learn or going to take information about the root. The student, what to do? Take a paper ball, moist paper ball, and crumble it. Crumble moist paper ball and put it into conical flask. And take moth seeds. Moth seeds means मटकीचे दाणे. Soak moth seeds म्हणजे भिजवलेले मटकीचे दाणे. And put these moth seeds in between paper ball and wall of flask. And observe these seeds after 3-4 days. What will you see? Their two parts are come out from the seed. These two parts are, see in this diagram, these two parts are plumule and radicle. Plumule is a part which is grow above the soil, and radicle is a part which is grow into the soil or in the ground. So root grow from this radicle into the ground. So see, this is the diagram of root. This root is thick near ground or soil, and it is gradually tapered towards the pointed end. बघा हे मूळ आहे, हे जमिनीलगत खूप जाड दिसत आहे आणि हळूहळू हळूहळू ते टोकाकडे निमुळते होत जात आहे. Let's see which are the parts of root. Parts of root. See in this diagram, the parts of root are primary root, secondary root, root hair, root tip, and root cap. So the parts of root are primary root, secondary root, root hair, root cap, and root tip. Okay. So see here in this diagram we see this hair-like structure near the tip of root. These are called root hair. What is root hair? Root hair means the hair-like structure near the tip of root. See here, this is the tip of root, and on this tip of root there is a cap-like structure. This is called as root cap. Root cap means the cap-like structure at the tip of root. Root cap means cap-like structure at the tip of root. Student, there are two types of root. There are two types of root. These roots are taproot and fibrous root. Types of root are two: taproot and fibrous root. Now see in this diagram, or see diagram on the board. This is the taproot. And see here, this is the fibrous root. Taproot means some root produce secondary branches like this. secondary branches, and which grow obliquely so far in the soil. This is the taproot. This is called as taproot. And fibrous root means root, hair-like root or fibrous-like root are called fibrous root. Now this taproot seen in dicotyledonous plants and fibrous root seen in monocotyledonous plant. Some plants like maize, sugarcane and sorghum show two types of or have two types of roots. Some roots are underground and some are grow from stem to the ground just above the soil. These are called adventitious roots. See in this diagram, these are adventitious root. Now let's see which are the functions of this root. Functions of these roots are absorb water and minerals from the soil and anchoring and supporting to the plants. These are the two functions of root. But root perform other functions also. Root show modification to perform these additional functions. These are modified roots. Modified roots are aerial roots, stilt root, runner and breathing root. So this is all about the root. So student, homework for you is draw a diagram of root and give name to its part, and also study about the root tip and root hair and root cap. Okay.